Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install new AODs on your any Android device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to Play Store and download AOD Glow app on your Android device. This app download link available on description. After download, simply tap and open. After open, first set some permissions. Look at this. After set permission, guys, look at this. Many beautiful AOD clocks available on this app. Look at this digital clock and analog clock. Both clocks available on this app. Simply select and simply tap on open. After open, set size and simply tap on apply. After tap on apply, simply go back, simply go to setting and go to always on display. Look at this, make sure turn on these three options and set AOD brightness manually, and you also set close on, double tap or single tap. And look at these new AODs enable on your Android device. Let me show you another clock. Simply tap and open, tap on apply. Now look at this. Now you also apply analog clock like this. Simply tap and open, apply. So guys, this is new AOD clocks for your Android device. You also install these new AODs on your any Android. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.